Hey YouTube, back out here in the Synergy shop. Gonna do some more Toyota content for you. This time we're doing a Sequoia TRD Pro and putting some performance mods on it from AFE and Turbosmart. Do a quick rundown of what we're putting on this thing. We're gonna do the AFE GT air boxes, the smooth intake tubes, the charge pipes, and Turbosmart blow-off valves. Do a quick overview of what I'm going to do here. We're going to replace the two air boxes with the AFE parts, the turbo inlet tubes with the AFE parts, and then the charge pipes down here and the blow-off valves on both sides. This truck has the red interior, so I did opt for the red parts instead. All right, I want to know how you guys are supposed to do this. You're supposed to be able to get pliers in to that clamp right there. And then slide that hose off of the nipple and then reconnect two more, all in that space. right, so a couple things. This on this Sequoia, of course, these are the iForce Max with the hybrid. I don't know if this is on all of them or not. This little thing right here on this driver fender has to be unbolted. There's just one 10mm right down here. You can take that out. You don't need to take that out, so you get this air box to seat down on the pegs. And then with the Turbosmart blow-off valves, cover hits down in there. So I'll just have to trim out that plastic. No big deal. Just cut a little relief here so that it clears that. And I will say that getting the catch can, go back over here. So I did the burger catch can on it, and it runs the hoses back over there, back in the back. And getting to that fitting is an absolute pain in the rear end. The instructions are, get your hands back there. There is not room for needle nose pliers, let alone two hands. And I think the hybrid makes it even worse because you've got that big high voltage cable that runs over to the hybrid controller that's right in the way as well. I bet I spent 2 hours digging those hoses over there and trying to get them connected, by touch with my eyes closed and hold my mouth just right. So just be aware if you're going to do a catch can, it's not as simple as the instructions would say as far as time-wise, but beware. And here's a shot of the finished product with the engine cover off, and then another one with the cover on. And you'll see here in a second where I had to notch that to clear those blow-off valves. This truck also has the Westcott lift that we put on. I did sub out the install, but it's clearing a 37-inch Nitto Terra Grappler on a 20 by 9-inch fuel wheel, and things looking good. So here's the outside finished product. Customer's already driven it, loving every minute of it, loves the power. And as always with YouTube, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.